Hey, what's up guys? Today we are making beer cheese soup. This is a recipe, a soup that I actually grew up with. It's so delicious. I mean, beer and cheese, you just can't get any better than this. This is part of my easy weeknight cooking series, something you can really whip together any night of the week, quick and easy. So, all right, let's do this. Heat a large pot to medium heat and add half a pound or 8 ounces of bacon. Cook it down for 6 to 7 minutes or until the bacon gets nice and crispy. Carefully remove the bacon and set it onto paper towels to drain. Drain off most of the bacon grease, leaving 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then add 1 small diced onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, and 1 diced jalapeno pepper. Cook for 5 minutes to soften them up. Add 3 cloves minced garlic and cook for about a minute until the garlic becomes nice and fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon fresh minced thyme, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, and a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. I like it spicy. Add 4 tablespoons of butter and stir until it's melted through. Stir in 1/4 cup of flour and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, constantly stirring. Pour in 12 ounces of beer. I'm using Spotted Cow from Wisconsin, yum. And stir until the mixture thickens up, about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups heavy cream. Then reduce the heat to low. Simmer the pot for 10 minutes to let the flavors develop. Slowly stir in 12 ounces of shredded cheese a bit at a time until it's completely melted through. I'm using cheddar and pepperjack, but any melty cheese is good. Also, you can very easily add more cheese. Go for it, cheesy. Stir in the reserved bacon and remove the pot from the heat. Serve into bowls and garnish with shredded cheese, fresh chopped herbs, red pepper flakes, crumbled bacon. Yes, I hope you love it. Cheesy. Beer cheese soup, my friends. I hope you love it. Beer and cheese. It just doesn't get any better. So, all right, I hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.